Whoa, that is one big bee. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Marz, and I am with my dog Betsy, and she just ate the bee, or at least scared it away. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Marz, and I am playing with my puppy Betsy. So her name is Betsy, and I'm gonna be playing with her. So I'm gonna show you a few things of her too. So I'm gonna do that. So all about Betsy. Well, first her name is Betsy, and her favorite toy is this pig. Now watch. Betsy, come! Ah! Okay. I'll throw it. Ready? She loves playing fetch with it too, and if you don't know, what you probably really don't, because look at this face. You can't really tell what kind of dog she is. Like, she could be like a bunch of dogs. Like, she looks kind of like a Saint Bernard, or something like that. But she is actually half pug and half Chihuahua. She's mostly pug. So you see her curly tail. She finds the biggest sticks too. This is like a log. And this is just my yard, my front yard, and it is close to Halloween too, so you'll see these pumpkins. Oh, I could do a video of like carving the pumpkin. That would be cool, I guess. Because we haven't put like anything up for trick-or-treating, but I'm going to do the pig again. Whoa! Get it! Okay, she knows another thing, and it's basketball. Da-da-da, dun-da-da, dun-da-da, and she's ignoring it. And second, Betsy, look, get it. Yeah. Oh, too far. No, way too far. Way too far. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, well, technical difficulties. Look. She's waiting for it. Here it comes. See, she literally likes to play fetch and stuff with it, even though it's so big compared to her. Like, she would be playing with a ping pong ball and she would love it just the same, but the funny thing is, she actually loves things that are bigger than her. Like, if you put a normal like tennis ball or something down, she'll pretty much ignore it. But if you do this, then she just loves it. Focus. Oh! Come on. Okay. Yeah, so she has like a bunch of squeaky toys, but here's its leg. I don't even know. This is from like years ago. Look. 1 second. Betsy! Look! Look what I got. You're not supposed to have this. Look. Spinny. Spinny thingy. Don't you want the spinny thingy? Okay, that's it. Look. Oh, Betsy, you want a tomato? Look. The tomato. Oh, you're stuck. 1 second. She's stuck under the wheel. Ah, I squished and it juiced on me. Whatever, here you go, you can have it. She loves to like chew on them and stuff. Are you liking that tomato? even though it had some dirt on it. Sometimes she just reminds me of a teddy bear, the way she has like such a wrinkly face. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much going to be the video. I can do more if you guys want me to, but guys, for now, hope you enjoyed. And goodbye. This is Marz, signing out one more time. And more and more and more. Done.